Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. We will walk through how to create a custom field in Paid Memberships Pro and Enhancing Membership Registration Form. First, we will create a membership account as a member. So, let's go to the membership levels, and we will select the levels here. Now scroll down and fill out the registration form. Write the password here and the email address. Use the confirm email. Now, while scrolling down, add the information. How do you know about us? Click on submit and continue. By doing this all, as you can see that the member is created here. Now we will log in as a member we have created before. As you can see, when we move on to the membership area, login form will appear like this. We will add the username and email address of the member we have created before and the password for the member. Click on login. So by doing this all, we are move on to the membership account area. Go to the edit profile. So we will see the information about the profile. Here we can also edit the profile. And by doing this, we can click on update in profile. Now we will see how can we add the custom field in the registration form. So for that, we will move on to the membership dashboard. Now, navigate to the membership setting, and you can see the option here, user field. Here we can see the information about the group name. First, we will write the group name. It is a unique label for our group of fields when visible field is shown. We can write the group name with now by clicking show field at checkout. Select whether to include this field group anywhere at a membership checkout or membership page or other paging landing page. You can use this option by choosing yes or no. If you want to show this field to the front end of the user profile only, you can use the yes option. If you want only the admin can see that field, you can use this option. If you don't want any of them to see that field, you can use this no option. So, you can also write the description for visible to the user, or you can restrict this field for the membership levels. If you want to show this field to the specific membership level, you can choose this option. You can select any membership level from here. You can also edit a default field, which is created before, or you can add the new field by clicking on Add New Add Field. Here you can write the label for the field and the name for the field without spaces. Now, select the type for the field. Either you want to choose a text. It should be text in a text area and a checkbox. And if you want to select as a drop-down, you can use this option. And for the number, you can use this option. You can choose any of the type according to the label you have mentioned. So, while scrolling down, you can make it as a required field also at a checkout. If you want this field only as a read-only, you can make this option yes. So, nobody can edit this field and it will be only visible to read only. If you want this field also writable, but you can make this option no. So, while scrolling down, you can also make the settings for this field to show the only on the user profile by using this yes option. If you want only admin can see this field, you can select this option. If you want or nobody can see that field, you can use this option. If you want the setting according to the group setting we have set before, you can choose this inherit group setting option. Or you can also write the wrapper class for it and the field element for it. And you can write the hint option here. You can also set a default value for this field. Now by doing this, click on close field. So as we can see now, the field is created. Now, scroll up above and click on Save All Changes. Now we will move on to the levels and see that if that field is showing to the checkout or user profile or not. Now, click on this option. So here is a membership checkout page. While scrolling down, we can see that the field is successfully added here. Now, we will move on to the profile area of a member. So the membership account is open here. Click on Edit Profile, so user profile is open. So, when we scroll down, we can see that the field we have created before is showing here. So it means the field is successfully added. Now we will see how can we customize the appearance of membership page. Go to the setting of membership, and here we can see the option of design. While scrolling down, we have a global style setting. So there are 3 style variations for front-end membership page. First, default recommended, high contrast, and minimal. While scrolling down, we have a color settings. We can select the base color, we can select a contrast color here if by using this option. At last, we have accent color also. By doing this all, click on Save Setting. So, by doing this all, we can customize this appearance of membership page. Now, we will see how can we add the membership levels to the page by using the shortcode. So here we can see that we have a membership level is created and it has ID 4. So we will add this PM membership level to the page by using this ID and shortcode. Now go to the page and create a new page here. So as you can see that the page I have created here, write the name of the page and click on plus sign here and write shortcode. Now write the shortcode here. Membership level and equal to 4. 4 is the ID of the membership level I have created before, which is premium level. It means the premium level is applied to that page. So we can use furthermore shortcode to add more features. If we want to add the login membership feature in that page, we can use this shortcode. So by that login page will be applied to that page. That's it. We have successfully added a custom field to Paid Membership Pro registration form and also used a shortcode on the page. This allows for a more tailored membership. And that is how you customize your membership experience in Paid Membership Pro. Subscribe for more Paid Membership Pro tutorials.